Hi, I'm Steve Knighton from Nottinghill Family Wellness Center, and today we're going to go over the anatomy of carpal tunnel and then some treatment later on how to fix it. So carpal tunnel usually occurs when you get wrist pain down and it refers into your hand here, thumb, finger. If it's happening over here, it's most likely not carpal tunnel. The carpal tunnel, for lack of a better term, is an actual tunnel. It's basically a sheath that goes around here like this in your wrist, that when you're on computers, power tools, anything like that, when you're flexing your wrist, it can crush that nerve. What happens is there's a nerve in here that travels up from your arm and goes through, and then a bunch of tendons inside the carpal tunnel. We'll say there's about 7 or 8. Those muscles go through into your hand and then come up your forearm like this. Most of them will attach somewhere further up the arm like that. What happens with carpal tunnel is this area in here gets inflamed. When this gets inflamed, a bunch of swelling and edema gets in here, crushing that nerve, causing the sensation of the nerve pain down your hand into your thumb, your pointer, and your middle finger. So essentially it could be from too much computer work and your hands crushed like this. A lot of times people go with power tools, sometimes playing sports, riding a bike for the first time, can all affect that. So carpal tunnel's at your wrist, there's a bunch of stuff that goes through it, the nerve gets crushed and it goes into your hand.
Okay, so let's recap. If we take a cross-section of the wrist, we will end up with this, the carpal tunnel. The carpal tunnel is made up of bones, the flexor retinaculum, 9 different tendons, and the median nerve, which is what can get crushed. What are signs and symptoms of carpal tunnel syndrome? You can end up with pain, tingling, and numbness in digits 1, 2, 3, and half of 4. But the area under this blue circle may remain normal. In more advanced cases, the muscles under this circle may atrophy, becoming weaker and appearing shrunken.